And they are already moving along. Walls are primed. Everything is so much brighter in here already. I don't even have any lights on. And it's so pretty. It just feels so bright and airy. All the floors are gone in here, as you can see, and down into the butler's pantry area and the half bath down there. The backsplash is gone. All the backsplash around here is gone. Oh man. The floors are up, the carpets are up. It is a whole new house already. Just from some prime and picking up those floors. We're saving the ones under this paper. The master though, y'all. First of all, how bright is this room now? It's amazing. We are keeping the vanity, but we've got plants here, as you can see. But look, the shower's gone. Holy cow. It already feels so much better in here. It's amazing. We cannot wait to build this baby up, make it look super good, really classy and elegant. And then we're gonna have a vanity here where the safe is that they got out of the closet. It is coming along. Upstairs right now, everything is just primed and painted, or primed, excuse me. Not many big changes up there, but it is just looking so good. Stay tuned. Demo is complete in this bathroom. The big tub is gone. We are going to do a standalone over there, which is gonna be so nice by those windows. And then of course we've got the shower all demoed, and we're gonna build out this gorgeous stand-up shower. This bathroom already feels more open, and it is just going to be stunning in here. We have some changes at Almondale. So the floors are gone. We had to take the floors out. One of the joys of renovating, we ordered some floors to match what was here to go in the kitchen, and when they showed up, they were the wrong color. So we decided to take this as an opportunity to get some new floors because, why? Because the other floors weren't gonna be here for like a month. So these just came, they are acclimating right now. But look how beautiful these floors are, y'all. Oh my gosh, they're so good. And so pretty, we're so excited to get them in. So they're acclimating for a few days and then they will go in. But we also have some exciting changes. We have a new foyer light up. Oh, it looks so good. It's so pretty. And then in the living room, we have a new light up here. And then in the kitchen, all the lights are up. Oh, it's so pretty. And then in the master, we've got the tub is in, the sinks are in, or the faucets, excuse me, are in, lights are in. This gorgeous soaker tub is here. All the tile is in. And then the beautiful shower. Get some lights on. Oh, so nice, so bright, so pretty, fresh. It's amazing. So we added these can lights up here just to bring some really nice light into the room, and then have these gorgeous sconces. And then of course, this tile throughout is just so pretty. Oh, we love it. I'm gonna turn on the lights in the kitchen too. The lights in the kitchen are so pretty. Everything is so bright. Some of these like final checks are making sure everything works. Oh, I think we have to flip on the other one over here. Making sure it all works. There we go. It's just so bright and so pretty. Yay, it's coming together. I love this light.